$10,000. That's your entire budget. No more. You need a car that works, that won't destroy your savings account with repairs, and that will actually last. But here's the shocking truth. You can get an absolutely incredible used car for 10 grand or less right now. We're talking Toyota Corollas, Honda Civics, Mazda 3s, vehicles that will run strong for another 100,000 miles. Vehicles that mechanics will actually work on because they're simple and proven. But you have to know where to look and which model years to avoid. But before we dive in, if you want to save money on your next car purchase and you want real data, not salesman talk, hit that subscribe button right now. Every video we drop saves you money. So subscribe, turn on notifications. Let's find you a $10,000 car that's absolutely worth every penny. Welcome back. Today we're breaking down the best used cars under 10 grand you can buy right now in 2026. We're talking about vehicles with 60 to 80,000 miles. Cars that are 5 to 8 years old. Still under manufacturer warranty in some cases. Still modern enough to have good safety tech and decent fuel economy. But old enough that the previous owner ate all the depreciation. So you're buying at the absolute sweet spot of used car ownership. Let me show you exactly which cars you should be looking at, which model years are gold mines, and which ones to avoid completely. Number 1 on the under 10,000 list, the 2018 to 2020 Toyota Corolla. You're looking at cars with around 60 to 80,000 miles. Price? $8,000 to $9,000 depending on condition and location. Why the Corolla? Because it's literally the most reliable used car you can buy. The 2.0-liter engine is bulletproof. The automatic transmission is bulletproof. Toyota reliability is legendary. You will not find a better $10,000 car than a well-maintained Corolla. Check the service history. Make sure oil changes were regular. Watch out for any transmission issues reported, though that's rare. The Corolla will last you another 100,000 miles easy if it was cared for. Best bang for your buck under 10 grand. Number 2, 2017 to 2019 Honda Civic. You're looking at around 70 to 90,000 miles. Price point, $8,000 to $9,500. The Civic is almost as reliable as the Corolla but way more fun to drive. The 2.0-liter naturally aspirated engine is proven. The CVT transmission in most Civics is actually reliable in these years. Honda quality is solid. The interior is nicer than the Corolla. You get better features, better design, more modern feel. Still incredibly reliable. The catch: CVT transmissions sometimes get hate online. But Honda's CVT in the Civic is one of the most reliable CVTs on the market. Don't let internet fear-mongering scare you. This is a solid $10,000 car. Fun and reliable. Number 3, 2018 to 2021 Mazda 3. You're looking at around 50 to 70,000 miles. Price, $8,000 to $9,000. The Mazda 3 is the underdog, the dark horse, the best value on this list. Same reliability as Honda. Same reliability as Toyota. But somehow Mazda 3 prices are consistently lower because Mazda doesn't have the same brand recognition. Which means you're getting luxury quality at a budget price. The Mazda 3 is gorgeous, fun to drive, and will last forever. 2.0-liter engine. Traditional 6-speed automatic transmission. No fancy tech to brake. Mazda quality is exceptional. This is a $10,000 car that feels like it costs $15,000. If you can find a clean Mazda 3 under 10 grand, buy it immediately. Number 4, 2019 to 2021 Hyundai Elantra. Around 50 to 70,000 miles. Price, $7,000 to $8,500. Hyundai has absolutely stepped up their game over the past 5 years. The Elantra comes with a 2.0-liter engine and automatic transmission. Reliability is good. Better than it used to be. And here's the kicker. Hyundai backs these up with a 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty. Even on used cars. You get peace of mind with an Elantra. Number 5, 2017 to 2019 Nissan Sentra. Around 70 to 90,000 miles. Price: $6,500 to $7,500. This is your cheapest option on the list. The Sentra is basic. It's not fancy. It's not exciting. But it works. Simple 1.8-liter engine. Automatic transmission. Nissan reliability used to be suspect, but the Sentra has always been solid. You're buying a no-frills, does-the-job car for under $7,000. The big advantage: parts are cheap and everywhere. Any mechanic can work on a Sentra. Labor is minimal. If you're on a tight budget and just need basic transportation that won't break the bank on repairs, the Sentra is your car. But if you have a little more to spend, skip the Sentra and go Corolla or Civic. The extra cost is worth the reliability and features. However, if you're truly maxed out under $10,000, the Sentra is better than a bad deal on something else. So what model years should you avoid? Anything older than 2017 might have more issues. Stay away from high-mileage cars over 100,000 miles. Avoid any vehicle without service records. And avoid anything that sounds wrong when you start it. The best time to buy? Right now. Used car prices are finally coming down after years of being inflated. Inventory is stable. You have options. Dealers are motivated to sell. This is the best buyer's market we've seen in 5 years. Where should you buy? Private party sales are usually cheapest but riskiest. Certified used at dealerships is safest but more expensive. Facebook Marketplace and AutoTrader are where most deals happen. Always get a pre-purchase inspection. Get a mechanic to inspect the car before you buy. This costs around $150 to $300. But it could save you thousands if there's a hidden problem. Always get the inspection. Don't skip this step. Check the title. Make sure there's no salvage title. Make sure it's not a flood car. Make sure the odometer is correct. Get a vehicle history report from Carfax or AutoCheck. These cost about $30 and could reveal major issues. Test drive is crucial. Drive it for at least 30 minutes. Listen for strange noises. Feel for hesitation. Check all the electronics. A good used car should feel solid, smooth, and responsive. Trust your gut. If something feels off, walk away. Here's the pro tip: negotiate harder if the car is from a private seller. Dealer prices are set. Private sellers want to move the car and will take less. With a $10,000 budget, every dollar matters. Don't be afraid to make an offer $500 to $1,000 below asking. So that's it. The best used cars under $10,000 right now in 2026. Toyota Corolla is king. Honda Civic is runner-up. Mazda 3 is the best value. Hyundai Elantra has warranty peace of mind. Nissan Sentra is the budget option. Pick one, get it inspected, and drive with confidence. If this saved you money, smash that like button. Subscribe for more car buying tips that actually work. Drop a comment telling me which car you're buying. Buy smart. Buy reliable. And I'll see you in the next one.